Preliminary legs kick off a week from tomorrow. Condition pacers lined up to kick off tonight's pick four. A field of 9 on gate. The gate is rolling. End of their all. Thank You Mama charges out for the outside with Hillcrest Domingo. The gray is also a flashing early speed, along with Blue Ridge Hall as they barrel into that opening turn. It's Hillcrest Domingo who's up to clear and take the early lead with Thank You Mama. Moving up on the outside into second. Blue Ridge Hall away in third. Jate Odell came away in fourth. It's two more back to Siempre Ribera away in fifth. Abs Beach Boy found a spot along the inside sixth in front of Brooklet's Power Play, who is in seventh. King's Lightning and Mr. Cool, the early trailers, through an opening quarter, 28-1. And Hillcrest Domingo is calling the shots on top here at odds of 7-1. Thank You Mama with a perfect pocket ride past the 3/8 marker. Blue Ridge Hall from along the inside third. Jate Odell, the 4-5 favorite, still content to track at this point from fourth. Siempre Ribera saves ground from fifth. Abs Beach Boy now moves to the outside from sixth. King's Lightning picks up that cover from seventh. Brooklet's Power Play to the inside eighth. And Mr. Cool is the trailer to an opening half 57-4. 29-3 for that second quarter. And Hillcrest Domingo remains on an uncontested lead as they move on to the far turn. Thank You Mama is at a perfect pocket trip with 3/8 of a mile to go. Jate Odell, the favorite, is going to have to do it from first over. Blue Ridge Hall saves ground in fourth. Abs Beach Boy about to go 3 wide from fifth. Around the far turn, it's still Hillcrest Domingo leading the way. Thank You Mama is right on his back second, past 3/4 in 127 flat. Hillcrest Domingo leads him at the top of the lane. Thank You Mama now out off the pylons in second. Blue Ridge Hall along the inside third as they drive for the finish. Hillcrest Domingo there along the inside. Thank You Mama bears down out in the center of the track, down to these two. Hillcrest Domingo and Thank You Mama. Thank You Mama, the lone mare, gets up to win it. Thank You Mama scores over Hillcrest Domingo. Blue Ridge Hall was third. Siempre Ribera finished fourth in 156. Thank You Mama